Hi viewers, are you tasting all my recipes? What I do, all the dishes you have to taste and see. I am going to do fish roast with pepper sauce. Fish roast with pepper sauce that I am going to do. So we will see how it's going to be like, That's the main thing here. The fish, I have taken the sear fish, cut into large pieces, right? And I am going to put into the pan now. So now what I will do is, into this salt, turmeric, pepper. First thing I just put a little only. Now I will put the water for this. Mix it nicely. What I am going to do is, I will boil this and take it first. Sometimes I put a little lime also, lime juice, because the fishy smell should go off, not like any other meat kind or any other fish kind, but this has to be cooked in the proper way. Fish means we have to nicely cook that and take it. Good. I have taken here large piece of fish. Can you see the thickness? Sear fish, I have taken the large pieces. So what you have to do is, we have to allow it to get cooked well, then only it will be nice. So we will cook this nicely. While this fish is getting cooked, right, I have to make another preparation. So now I am going to do, you can see, I have got tomato paste, oyster sauce, seafood or fish kind. I hope you know that we should always use oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is the best. I will put salt into this. Pepper. I won't put too much of pepper now. Chili pieces also a little. Powder. Later if you want we can add more, but now I have added a little. And I have got thyme, which I have to take about a teaspoon. It's a dry herb thyme which I am going to use here, right? I will put it into this mixture now. About a teaspoon I put. Mix it nicely. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to put a little oil into the pan. Like roasting, but it's not really getting roasted. It's like stir fry. And when you find that it's splashing too much, we can cover with the net like this. Oh, say that it's so nice to watch preparing these type of preparation. Keep stirring. Can roast it more till it gets a burnt effect, or we can take it out now. Whatever we do, we have to do it in such a way so that it looks okay like. I am of course ready to eat. Oh, so nice to see. And of course this will be the best. Now I have done this, let it be. I am going to do the pepper sauce. So we will do the pepper sauce now. The fish is ready. Pepper sauce. I have taken pepper seeds. It's about a teaspoon. Slightly crush it. And I will put vinegar, a teaspoon of vinegar. And a chicken cube, corn flour, just 1.5 teaspoons. a little bit of butter, bit of salt, crushed pepper. I just wanted to have it like this, but I thought I will use a bit of soy sauce, about 2 teaspoons of soy sauce I put. Salad, not cucumber, never use cucumber doesn't digest very soon. Gherkins are good. Anytime when you are hungry also, you can have these type of gherkins, which is good. The pepper sauce I am putting so that it will be nice to go with this. That's fine. And this is my version of this roast fish with the pepper sauce. This roast fish with the pepper sauce, I love it. I hope you will also like it, because this is the type I like for a meal, a dinner, especially a dinner. One slice of the fish and a bit of salad with the pepper sauce, and what more that we need? A bun. We can have a dinner bun or a French bread, whatever you like, you can have it. You have this, taste it, comment it, and very soon I will come with another episode so that we will all enjoy food. Bye from me now.